My name's Jason Taylor. I work for Industrial Hydro Services. I've been doing hydroblasting for about 5 years. We do a lot of asphalt blasting in silos and tanks. When their asphalt tanks get built up, everything has got Jetstream. So really for me, it's being able to change your parts out. You can really move quick and change everything out without having to, take too much apart. Because I know the wearable parts is what's big that we have to change out, and it's real quick and simple. There's no problems. It's a better pump. They hold together better. Replacement parts are simple. The pressure's great. Water volume. Everything seems to work really well together with less maintenance and downtime. It took me maybe half a day to learn how to rebuild a Jetstream pump. And that's really quick, and now I've done it 100 times now. It's just quick and simple. You can change them out, make different sizes of your pump, change your gallons per minute, and it's just simple. It's the best thing about it.